Hi, I'm Jamie Dockery, Fayette County Extension Agent for Horticulture, and we're here in one of our beautiful volunteer-maintained demo gardens at the Extension office. This happens to be the vegetable garden. We have some flowers too. And I am here with one of our valued Master Gardener volunteers, and this is Cheri Fouts.
So Jamie, as people get older, there's no reason for them to not garden, but there may be some adaptations they need to make as far as different kinds of plants.
What they grow.
Yeah.
And that's a very good point, because we're standing here in the vegetable garden, and quickly I can tell you everything that's here is not wildly successful every time, and some things are way more difficult and challenging than others. So everyone thinks vegetable garden, thinks corn and some of these other things. You're not likely to succeed with some of those more challenging crops. So some good, easy starter vegetables are things like root crops, carrots, radishes, turnips, things like that. Also tomatoes and peppers, although they do have some issues, those are one of the easiest things to grow, and you keep getting yield throughout the season. Bush beans will always be on my list of easily grown stuff, as are any greens that you can grow. The cabbages, the kale, there's some pest pressure you may have to worry about with butterflies and caterpillars, but just selecting the right vegetables that are easy to grow from that shorter list will help be successful too. Another thing, since we also mentioned flower gardens, the types of flowers you grow, I mean, some of the easiest annuals would obviously be things like marigolds, which you mentioned. They don't have to be deadheaded. There may or may not be, there's anecdotal information they get rid of some bugs, but I don't know how factual that is. But also, annual flowers, marigolds would top my list. Also, annual vinca is very easy.
Petunias and things that need a lot of deadheading.
Yes, and things that are drought tolerant, like lantana or like vinca, are very useful as well. Another thing we could share with people, if you've been accustomed to doing a lot of annuals each year, you may want to consider converting some of that to perennials that come back each year. They have a much shorter bloom time than the annuals, but you don't have to replant every year. So that may be something to help people have less workload while still enjoying their garden and flowers.
And another one that I've gotten into a lot lately is succulents.
Oh yes.
Easiest plant to grow and to propagate. It's successful, and they're so easy and so fun to grow. Anybody can do that, indoors, outdoors.
And they store their own water, so if you need to leave on vacation for 2 weeks, they'll still be alive when you get back.
And herbs.
Herbs are great. Almost all the herbs are super easy to grow and great butterfly and pollinator plants as well.
Absolutely.
These have been some great tips, Cheri. I really appreciate you being with us, and I really appreciate our viewers joining us today. I'm Jamie Dockery, Fayette County Extension Agent for Horticulture. This is our Master Gardener volunteer, Cheri Fouts, and we hope you found something beneficial that will help keep you engaged in something you love. And find a way. You don't have to give up something you love. No matter what our challenges, there are ways you can keep engaged and keep gardening, and we'd encourage that at every turn.